Option 1, floor planning. This is where every kitchen design starts. You draw the layout, define the walls, set the room shape. I use this on literally every single project. Without it, nothing else works. Option 2, kitchen elements. This is your main working area. Cabinets, appliances, decorative items, components, everything you need to actually build the kitchen lives here. Think of this as your toolkit. You'll spend most of your time in here. Option 3, the closet tool. Now, this one isn't for kitchens. It's for wardrobe design. I've already done a full breakdown of this in a separate video. Link is in the description. And I'll be uploading an updated version soon. Option 4, models library. This one's exciting. You get access to millions of models, furniture, decor, fixtures that you can drop into any project, residential or commercial. It's what takes a design from good to realistic. Option 5, rendering. From here, you generate high-quality images and realistic video renders. I've covered this in depth in another video. Again, link in the description. But just know, when your design is ready, this is where you make it look professional. And option 6, the drawing tool. This is for technical work. Construction drawings, presentation layouts, floor plan exports. If you need to share your design with a contractor or client, this is how you do it. So